Hello and welcome back to the American Muscle Car Museum. Today out of the collection we brought you something from the Shelby area in a 1968 Shelby GT500KR convertible. This is a stunning car. As you can see, this is done in Highland Green. Not many cars were done in Highland Green, only 17%. The most popular color was Candy Apple Red. This was a new chapter in Shelby's history where they were moving production from California to Michigan, in a sense make higher quality cars and have more areas for production. Also brings in a company called A.O. Smith. A.O. Smith may sound very familiar as they built a lot of the Corvette body panels and their contract was ending with Corvette. Shelby needed a new supplier to make higher quality fiberglass panels that fit better and of course look better. To the outside of the car, a lot of nice trims. You have the side decal on it with the GT500KR, the Cobra Jet 428 emblem. You can see on the hood they changed the hood scoop and also had the air extractors on the back of it. These came with a Police Interceptor 428 cubic inch, 335 horse, 440 foot-pounds of torque, which really made this the king of the road. These would go into a 4-speed transmission, which was standard. Optional was a C6 automatic. Power to the ground was by a traction lock, 350 final drive ratio in the rear axle. They had a heavy-duty suspension on these, and as you can see, this has the 10-spoke wheels on it with the Goodyear tires. As you come to the interior, we put down the white convertible top, which actually really accents the Highland Green. First thing you see is the roll bar, of course needed with a convertible. As we come into the saddle tan interior, a lot of firsts for Shelby. The console with the floor shifter, and unique to the KR was the Cobra Jet badging. As we come over to check on the engine vitals, we've got a 140-mile-an-hour speedometer, 8,000 RPM tach, and gauges above the shifter to keep an eye on everything. This was purchased brand new at Jack Gibbons City Ford, and believe it or not, this was just a shade over $5,000 at the time. We have the original Shelby order sheet, the Shelby invoice, and also a deluxe Marty report. And as you can see, this has received a concourse rotisserie restoration. For more information on this car and all the other cars in the collection, please visit our website, our YouTube channel, Instagram page, or Facebook. It's been a pleasure to share with you this Shelby car, which is such a unique piece of history. And once again, thank you for watching.